Alright, I'm just sitting here waiting for this train. Based off of my calculations here, it should be here any second. I've been coming this way about 15 years now. Even longer, but 15 years for sure with this job, with the job I work at now. And I've never actually seen a train go across this bridge. This will be a first. Alright, that sucker snuck up on me. There it goes. I'm going to wait until the engine passes. There it goes. Okay. Wow, he books through this thing. Alright, it is 5:17, which is pretty much to the minute that I thought it would be. Well, I thought 5:18. He's probably thinking I'm gonna. But right there. Right there. So he comes here a minute later. Oh, he's going like hecka slow. Well, that will be perfect opportunity to take pictures then. Oh, he's stopping. Well, as my luck would have it, the reason why I stopped right here is because I wanted to get a preview of what it would look like with the train down at that spot. And of course it stops just short of where I want it to be. Either I'm going to be lucky, which I am, holy shit. There's a freighter. As I was saying, as luck would have it, I am lucky today. This never happens to me. That is just cool. Well, now they don't think I have anything to do with the train stopping, that's for sure. Once this guy passes, and the other train starts moving, I'll go set up in the other spot that I'm going to go for. Oh, look at that. There's an engine on the back. I've never seen that. Maybe I have. I just never took notice. I don't know if that's what they consider power distribution or what, but I know that power distribution is a thing, and they do take the locomotives and they place them in the front, middle, back, or whatever. But I don't get to see that often at all. Anyways, what I was saying is that once I show you the next spot, I'm going to head back, and then when I get to my next destination, when I head home, I'm going to see that train again. Okay, I'm not really going to go until this one goes, because I want to see what this looks like. I want to get the preview of this. He's got his green light. You can see it over there, I think, which means she should be able to. There he goes. I'll tell you what, my little thing for trains really paid off today. Ooh, he's got a book too. Alright, here he goes. So that's what my picture is going to look like. I could deal with that. Now, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna just go right here, and I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna kind of slow down, and I'm gonna get him going across this bridge, and that's what I'm after right there. That's it. Cool. All right, so now I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna go back towards my home.